The Academy starts every August through the Salvation Army Division, and all these kids that are part of this academy are from all over the state. And we cap our academy out at 30, and we actually reached capacity this year. Leadership, discipleship, and mission development are the three components of our program. There's a number of things that went into the planning of the itinerary. One is to grow our kids. We want to teach them how to become leaders, and what better way than just giving them straight up experience doing it that way.
It's helping me because when I get older, I want to do something to help the community. Like with the elderly, like in San Antonio, you can see them walking alone by themselves. I'm like, okay, what happened? They get hurt. So that just keeps me thinking I should make a business to get a bus to give them a ride, probably like $2 each for each ride from their home to their destination and probably back.
I want to be a third grade teacher. It's testing a lot of my patience, and it's testing a lot of what I'm like learning a lot of ways that I can deal with, like when a kid is not listening or not paying attention. I'm learning ways to work with them individually on that, and I'm also learning ways to, like connect the whole class. Like, oh, can you guys help him because, he's our friend, just like making sure everybody's engaged and helping each other. I've learned a lot about myself, and I've learned a lot about what I can do and what my abilities are, and I've learned to become comfortable with that. I've also learned to become comfortable with the things that I'm learning that I thought I could do but I don't do as well. So I'm strengthening my weaknesses, but also in the same way I'm learning that I can stick more with my strengths because those are what I was gifted with by the Lord and that I can use.